sometimes you can feel like, as a technician, if you don't have access to that information, you have this moment where, this is what I hate too, I'm going to wing it. Right? I'm going to base this diag off some stuff that I kind of knew about, I'm not really sure. What is it? Chrysler's a perfect example. So Chrysler changed their evap systems from the old, there's like 2 or 3 evap systems total across the board. And then they all of a sudden changed it, to a more European style where it has a leak detection pump. So then you go in not knowing any better because you worked on one 5 years ago that this is how it was done. And now you start working on that car using those same things. And then you reach the leak detection pump and you're like, well, what the heck is that? Mainly because you didn't even know it was on this car. And maybe you've never seen European vehicles before because, again, that's what they always use. You could find old Mercedes with those systems on there. And there's nothing wrong with them if you know how they work. And if you don't know how they work, guess where? You can go on Identifix and find out exactly how that system breaks down so that you can diagnose that car correctly.